Oh, you are so cute.
You know, that cat has got a bad history of violence and abuse, right?
Yes, but I think we can nurture it back to normal health like all the others, dear.
Alright, honey. I trust you. June, what's on your mind?
It's just that, I know you're not a cat person, but I wanted one ever since I was a little girl.
No, it's okay, dear. I'll try and tolerate the situation for you. What are we gonna name him?
Mr. Whiskers.
No, my work! Damn you, Mr. Whiskers! No!
What happened?
Oh, damn cat. Just ruined weeks worth of hard work. Now I have to start all over again.
Give him some time, Ward. He'll warm up.
What was that? Sounded like a noise. Honey, wake up. No, Ward, don't jump to conclusions. Who's there? Who's there? I thought I locked the door. Mr. Whiskers, how'd you get out? Hey, June. Did you read this paper?
No, I did not.
Seems a man was killed by some animal last night.
That's horrible news.
By the way, Mr. Whiskers got out last night.
Thank God nothing happened to Mr. Whiskers. I thought you locked the door last night.
I thought I had.
You better make sure you lock it tonight.
But don't worry. I will. For God's sakes. Oh, damn cat. Yes, hi. Is this the TV repair company? Okay. Is there possible you could send someone over to repair my TV? It's not working. Yes. 69. Hi, you the repairman?
Of course. What do I look like? Cinderella?
Oh, okay, good. Come in, come in.
All right. Yeah. So, what seems to be the problem?
I don't know, the wires chewed, my TV's not working, I don't know.
It's all right. Then we're gonna have to get a start from the bottom up, and we're gonna have to take care of that.
Sounds good, sounds good. Okay, I gotta get going, but everything should be downstairs in the basement, the last door on the left. I take it you don't need
No,
help.
I'll be all right. No. Here. Oh God. Oh yeah. What we got here? Oh, what we got here? Wow. Good. Yeah, very good. Wow. Oh, yeah. Oh. Oh. Get out of here, you goddamn cat. Get out of here. Well, what do you say? Last door to the left, not left. Uh-huh. God damn, if I could work on the weekend. God damn, thank Jesus Christ. Oh, okay, what do we got here? Alright. Okay. First door to the left, he said. Wire should be in here somewhere. A damn piece of junk, that's what I say. Alright. Oh, here we are. I think this is what he's talking about. Oh, God. Oh, dude, Jesus. Little hooch for the pooch on that one. Okay, here. Who's there? I got a hammer. No. No. No.
Can I help you?
Yes. My name is Detective Johnson from the NFPD. May I come in, please?
Sure, yeah. Come in.
Thank you. I'll give you a brief moment of your time.
seems to be the problem, officer?
Do you know someone by the name of Hank Spencer?
No, I'm sorry, I don't.
Well, seems that he was last seen here in your house fixing your TV.
Ah, yes, the TV repairman. Yeah, he was here. What about him?
Well, he's been missing for a few nights now, and the last people saw him, he was here.
Well, all I can say is he was here, he fixed my TV, I had stepped out, and I told him to shut the door behind him.
Okay, if you happen to hear anything on his whereabouts, give me a call. Here's my card.
Thank you. I'll do that.
And you have a good night.
And to you.
Who's that here?
Oh, that was, the detective. I guess the cable guy went missing.
That's horrible news. Well, me and Mr. Whiskers are going to bed. Are you coming?
No, I got work to do. I'll be up later.
Good night, dear.
Yeah. Good night, honey. Get out of here, Mr. Whiskers. I got work to do. Mr. Whiskers, get down from there. What the? Mr. Whiskers, what are you playing with? No.
Are you still sleeping, Ward? I already took Mr. Whiskers to the vet and we went shopping. Stop sleeping the day away. Jeez.
Damn it, June. That cat has been ruining my sleep for the last couple of days. It keeps running over me when I'm asleep, ruining my work, and that cat is giving me nightmares.
You're just cranky. Don't blame Mr. Whiskers on you not getting enough sleep. You smoke too much. You need to relax.
Might as well get up. Awake already. Ah!
Oh dear, are you alright?
No, I'm not alright. Oh, that damn cat just tripped me.
Mr. Whiskers didn't do that. He's a good cat.
That's it, June. That is it. I am getting rid of that cat right now. I cannot take it any longer.
You won't touch him. You will leave him alone. You said you'd tolerate him.
Tolerate him? That cat just tried to kill me.
Kill you? Lord, honey, listen to yourself.
I am. And I know that cat has been trying to kill me. It has been planning it since day one.
Lord, I think you need
June, you treat that thing better than anything else. Better than what you treat me. You don't even look at me anymore when that cat's around. I'm not crazy. I know that cat tried to kill me, and I bet it tried to kill the man in the paper too, and the repair guy. That thing is a monster and it's evil. That thing has got to go, for everyone's sake.
What was that?
Sounded like it came from the basement. You stay here. I'll check it out.
Police have charged 29-year-old Ward Mills with the murder of 3 people, one of which was his wife, June. Mills is currently being held at the city's psychiatric facility, as he claims it was the actions of the couple's cat. The cat was also found dead in the family's home.